We asked for your favorite villager and you voted for Stitches. So we're gonna make his very cute ears. To start, draw a template shape for his ears and cut them out. Trace them onto some Worbla scraps and cut those out. Now trace these onto some CosBond's attach and build and cut them out. Peel and stick these to your Worbla. Peel the backs of them and use a heat gun to heat up the Worbla with the CosBond. This step is not necessary, but it will help the CosBond stick better to the fur. Shape them slightly. Now, stick some attach and build to the front of our ear. Peel and then stick on some fur to the front. Cut your ears out and begin trimming some length off. Once they're at a manageable length, we can start coloring our fur with markers. Make sure to go upwards, downwards, and sideways to color all of the fur. To attach our ears, cut out 4 pieces of wire about 6 inches long. Stick these between your fur and Worbla and press them down. When attaching them to a wig, simply pop them through your wig's lace, fold down the sharp metal edges, and bend the wire tightly to your wig. Now these are secure and they're ready to wear.